New Apple Watch and, well, different colors. I got the blue one. So we're just gonna take this apart and we're just gonna see really how nice the screen is and, you know, see if it's any different. I personally was kind of disappointed that the rumor mill didn't actually pan out to be true, because that'd be cool, I guess, but you know, we'll see. So despite the fact that it looks kind of the same in terms of shape to the Series 6s, they now say they take 45mm straps, those stuff from previous generations, the 44mm, still should work. So we're gonna make sure that that's truly the case, because I've been working on the accessories video for like a week now. And if that's not the case, then, well, now one of the odd things when I went and picked these up was that the Apple guy checking my stuff out actually opened up every one of these packages to make sure that, I don't know, that I had them all, that there was a strap. It's the best part. Now really, the biggest thing that I see from the Series 7 without actually looking at it, physically touching it, it's just got a bunch of quality of life upgrades, which is kind of the same thing for the iPhone 13. It's got a bunch of quality of life upgrades. So blue, this is the new USB-C fast charge cable. Cable's about 1 meter long. You guys remember, if you bought the original Apple Watch, do you remember that like 2 meter long cable? That was pretty great. We're gonna do a bunch of charge tests with this to see if it actually makes a difference if we were to use a third-party 20-watt charger. Shouldn't make a big difference, but we'll kind of see. Here is the blue watch, 45mm. Am I supposed to rip this? Oh. Right off the bat, this is a 44mm MIFA lug. I'm curious to know, still kind of fits. It's good to know. So all the accessories that I've been using for the past year are probably gonna work for this. Yay! What else is in the box? Just a bunch of stuff that says watch on it. Let's take a look at the strap, see if it's any different than previous versions. Feels like there's more packaging for the watch strap than there is actually for the Apple Watch. The tags are kind of neat. Don't know what this is for, but kind of neat. First pass with one of the oldest straps. Is it any different? Other than it says 44-45. Lug heads look kind of the same. Though it does seem like the 45mm lug head is just a tiny bit longer. So if we were to take the watch, take the old one, is there a difference in terms of the fit? Not really. All right, let's get this thing started. Hello, why don't you connect? Yeah, easy install thing, guess isn't gonna work. Sure, I'll get to know my watch. Don't know if you guys noticed, but the progress meter on the app is actually the same as the progress meter on the phone. So you know, that's cool. All right, so it finally installed. So put these both on and we'll get a sense of how big this screen really is. So that's the size differences. Kind of the body is exactly the same size, but Apple's saying that you get 30%, 20 to 30% more on the Series 7 in terms of the screen. Between the 6 and the 7, and it's bigger. I remember going from the Series 3 to the 4, and that difference in the screen size, that was noticeable. This, I think I'm gonna have to use for a couple of days to see if it makes any difference. My biggest concern is that the curvature of the devices is still kind of the same. And so with the bigger screen, you kind of see like the calendar thing is actually encroaching on the curve of the screen. And depending on the glare and stuff, that might visually be annoying. But yeah, it's just another Apple Watch, which is, what are you gonna expect? Again, was really hoping to see the square version that the rumor mill was kind of churning out and really focusing on. So maybe next year we'll get a similar product. I am going to wrap up the accessories thing with this new thing. With the new watch, I'm going to make sure that everything fits properly before I go say, yay, this stuff is good. Wearing a MIFA band right now. They do have some of the tightest fitting lugs, and I just wanted to see if they fit as well on the Series 7. So that's pretty cool. That's kind of all I got for this video. Questions, comments, leave them down there. Other stuff you want me to check out for the Apple Watch Series 7, I will let me know in the comment section below. First time watching my videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.